Flamingos are fascinating creatures, known for their striking pink feathers and unique feeding habits. Did you know that their vibrant color comes from the carotenoid pigments in the algae and crustaceans they consume? It's true. In fact, the more shrimp they eat, the pinker they become. These social birds are often seen in large flocks, which can number in the thousands. This not only helps them find food more efficiently, but also provides safety in numbers from predators. Flamingos are also remarkable for their courtship displays, where they perform synchronized movements to attract mates. Interestingly, they can stand on one leg for hours, a behavior that helps conserve body heat. Their long legs and necks are perfectly adapted for wading through shallow waters, allowing them to filter feed with their specialized beaks. Isn't it amazing how these elegant birds have adapted to thrive in their environments? Like and share for more content.